Why ask me? Up and down, up and down, up. Hey boo, thank you for doing my hair. You're the best. Well, you know me, I come from the house of green, honey, and we know for doing that hair up good. Oh yes. Well, I just wanted to let you know there's one more girl in the back room. She's still in box. Oh, who could that be? Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and we're back into the world of Barbie Extra, and we're getting extra of the extra of the extra. This is number 11, and I'm gonna tell you guys something. Originally I was done with this line. I've already collected the two Flower Power girls, which is this girl and this one and this first one, and they were the only two that really interest me. But when I got a look of this beauty and I saw that green hair, I said, there may be something else I could do with this beauty. Now, I am a girl who loves to create films, set up designs. I love a good photo shoot. So what I'm going to do here is get her out of her packaging, but we're going to tell a fashion story along the way. We'll be right back. So let's talk about these accessories. She comes with boxes of cereal. I mean, the truth be told, maybe she's a fan of cereal, but in a replace of this cereal, you could have gave us a pair of heeled shoes in a place of box 1. In a place of box 2, you could have gave us a different set of shirts, like a different clothes or something. This shirt comparative to that box, same material, almost same material. And her pet is this bird. Y'all know what I'm here for. So let me just keep getting her unboxed. She's so pretty. Hello, so we are back and we have Miss Extra 11 out of her packaging. We're gonna call her Miss Neon Ponytail. Miss Ponytail got that ponytail going. So looking over her accessories, she comes with this cute little bird. You'll see I didn't take anything out of packaging because I'm not interested. She comes with this cereal that says sweet and it has like bananas and oats on the front. She comes with this secondary cereal box, which is strawberry cereal. So any of those cereal fans out there, you're definitely gonna love those. She also comes with these glasses, which are cool, I guess. And then when we get the doll, she is here, and I kind of wanted to go over her height, girls, and I just want to get into her height. So she's 11 inches, so I don't know. Oh, this one is 11 and a half, so she's just a little. They actually might be the same height, but this one has on heels. They just have her in flats. Oh my god. So let's go over the doll because I actually do want to go over this. Let's start at the bottom. So as you can see, Mattel did give her these see-through flats. So she does have flat feet. She comes with these black faux leather type of pants. And you can see they go all the way up and they Velcro in the back. Now, because she's a petite, well, she may not be a petite, but she gives petite. The pants are, it's a little give in them. Like maybe they could have been one size smaller, but it's okay. She also comes with some jewelry. She has 3 bracelets, silver, gray, and white. And then on this arm, it seems like it's mostly this cereal box, which I can't seem to get off, but I'll just show you guys. It's a cereal box purse, and it says yum. It has oats and apples on the front of it. She comes with this armband of some sort. I'm not even sure. So it's supposed to be draped across this. It's supposed to give the illusion of a fashion piece, basically. And she comes with this oversized tee. As you guys can see on the front, it says extra. And it has a pink gown on it. I kind of wish they would have gave her this outfit, like the pink gown, because it's a little extra. I get it. So this is her hair, which is the winning point for me. If you guys don't know, my favorite color is green. And her hair is nice and weighted. I wanted you guys to see that. Look at this. I want you guys to see the weight of it all. And I'm glad they didn't give her thin hair, because I know she was thinly rooted. This wouldn't be swinging like this. So they had to give her some type of extra rooting. So let's get into the upper part of her body. So now you guys are seeing her face sculpt and her jewelry. Her necklace is this huge chandelier piece. Her earrings are huge. Originally, I wasn't feeling her face makeup, but I think I like it now. Now that I have a purpose for her, I'm loving her green eyes, her green eyeshadow. I'm loving it. Her hair, the little crown on top. To me, from the neck up, they did really good. Like, looking at her now, what would you guys think her bottoms would look like? Like, if Mattel released this image and nothing else, I just wouldn't think that this, would be the look. And there's nothing wrong with it for people who really love her look. But I would have assumed something different. But now, since we're here and we've reviewed her, let me go over her articulation. So if you guys are new to the world of Barbie extras, they can tilt and look around. They have movement at the shoulders, the elbows, and they also have motion at the wrist. They have hip articulation, so they can kind of move at the hips. And they have a bend in the knee. Now, her pants are kind of not really giving her too much give, so she can't really give too much. And she has on these flat feet. Now, not all of them have flat feet, but they just gave her flat feet. So what we're going to do, now that I have her here, we have Mr. Green. We're going to give him a name. What name can we give him? We should give both of them names, right? Well, first of all, we need to change this outfit. Yes, girl, this outfit got the go. But Mr. Green, she's wearing flats. Do you think it's anything I can find in Callie Storm Doll's mausoleum of toys that will suit her? Well, we can go look. Yeah. So what I'm going to try to do is find her a really cute look, me and Mr. Green. And we're going to try to find this fabulous cutie a cute look, because I plan on giving them a cute little photo shoot, some photos together. Since they both have the green hair, I figured they could be fabulous friends. So I'm going to try to come back with a creative look, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm getting Miss 11 dressed up behind the scenes, but I said one outfit. So I've been looking at all these different pieces, and like with her skin tone and like with the green hair, it's like so many different varieties I could just come up with, and I'm just like, this is so hard. Now originally I was gonna do this because it brings her shirt to life, a pink dress, or the purple, but all these different looks go so well with her skin tone. Like, I even came up with this blue look. It looks really good too. I don't know, I think I'm gonna focus on the pink dress, but I just wanted to show you guys some of her alternatives. And this is her body sculpt. I think she is a regular height. I don't think she's a small. I think she's a regular height. Hey, we are back, and I have Miss 11 in her outfit. So her and Mr. Green came up with an idea. I really want to name him something. Let's name him like Stefan, or something cute. Comment something in the comment section below, a cute name for them. So basically, I think they're so cute. So basically, he saw her as a vision, right? He saw that her original shirt, which she's wearing, featured this pink dress that Mattel did not give her. So what Mr. Green did, or Stefan, he came up with this beautiful pink dress to replicate the one that was not given to her. She has her phone in hand because she's telling her friends. I just love this entire look that I was able to piece together, and I think they look good. I'm sorry, I think they look good together. Yes, my favorite color is green, but is there something about the aesthetic of these two that look really good together? Yeah, they do. I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below and let me know a couple of things, like which outfit would you have put her in, and I also want help with some names. On my channel, I'm trying to reach a goal of 5K. So if you guys like the video, if you could share it with others, subscribe to the channel, and always chime in below. Are you guys going to check out the new Barbie Fashionista number 11? She wasn't on my list, but now I'm happy I got the homegirl. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. It's like, why even ask me? Damn classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down around the town. Why ask me? Why ask me? Why ask me? Up and down, up and down. Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me? Ooh, why ask me? Up and down around the town. Swerve, you're in a new car. Swerve, make sure you don't swerve. You're in a new car. Swerve, back and forth, up and down now. Swerve, she riding around now. Swerve, up and down now. Swerve, she bouncing around now. Swerve. Ooh. 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 Swerve up and down, all around the town. Swerve. You think you're gonna hit these curves? Watch the road, boy. Swerve. You think you're gonna hit these curves? Look around and swerve on them. Swerve.